Myself R.D. Mahajan, presenting my video on the topic separation of real and imaginary part of circular and hyperbolic function. Let us see the example. If tan of theta plus I phi is equals to tan alpha plus I secant alpha, then prove that two results. First one, e raised to 2 phi is equals to cot of alpha by 2 and 2 theta is equals to n pi plus pi by 2 plus alpha. And to prove this, we take the help of the given information. Tan of theta plus I phi as tan alpha plus I secant alpha, and therefore its conjugate is tan alpha minus I secant alpha is equals to tan of theta minus I phi, and therefore tan of adding this two, we get tan 2 theta is equals to tan of theta plus I phi plus theta minus I phi, and that is equals to tan of a plus b tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b tan of theta plus I phi and tan of theta minus I phi, and that tan theta plus I phi is tan of alpha plus I secant alpha, and tan of theta minus I phi is tan alpha minus I secant alpha. Divided by 1 minus, again substituting that two values here. The first one is tan alpha plus I secant alpha second one is tan alpha minus I secant alpha, and therefore it is equal tan alpha plus tan alpha, we get 2 times tan alpha 1 minus a plus b, a minus b, that product is a square minus b square, means it is tan square alpha minus I square. I square is minus 1, that minus and this minus, it become plus secant square alpha, and that is equals to 2 tan alpha one minus secant square alpha is minus tan square alpha, and this minus tan square alpha, it become minus 2 tan square alpha, and that is equals to minus 1 by tan alpha is cot alpha, it is minus cot of alpha. Minus cot theta we can write in terms of tan as tan of pi by 2 plus alpha, and tan theta is tan of n pi plus theta, here theta is pi by 2 plus alpha, using all the standard trigonometric results. So that we can cancel this tan on both sides, we get the first result 2 theta is equals to n pi plus pi by 2 plus alpha. We get 2 theta is equals to n pi plus pi by 2 plus alpha. Then to obtain the second result, we take the subtraction of these two terms. Therefore, it is tan of 2I phi, nothing but tan of alpha theta plus I phi minus theta minus I phi. Theta gets cancelled. I phi plus I phi we get 2I phi. And it is tan of A minus B. Its expansion is tan A. Tan of theta plus I phi minus tan B. Tan of theta minus I phi divided by one plus tan A tan B tan of theta plus I phi and tan of theta minus I phi, and that is equal. Substitute tan theta plus I phi as tan alpha plus I times secant alpha minus tan theta minus I phi is tan alpha minus I secant alpha divided by 1 plus tan theta plus I phi is tan alpha plus I secant alpha, and for the second term it is tan of alpha minus I secant alpha, and that is equals to tan get cancelled. I secant alpha plus I secant alpha we get 2I secant alpha divided by 1 plus A plus B, A minus B, that product is A square minus B square, means it is tan square alpha minus I square is minus 1, that minus and this minus it become plus secant square alpha. And tan of I phi is I tan hyperbolic 2 phi. So that this I get cancelled, we get tan H two phi is equals to 2 secant alpha one plus tan square is secant square, and plus secant square we get 2 times secant square alpha. 2 get cancelled, 1 by secant alpha, and 1 by secant is nothing but cos of alpha. Therefore, we get 2 phi is equals to, transferring this tan h to other side, right hand side, we get tan h inverse cos of alpha. We take the help of the standard result of inverse hyperbolic function. Tan h inverse of x is equals to 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, and here x is cos alpha, and therefore applying this result we get 2 phi is equals to 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x, x is here cos alpha, 1 minus x, x is cos alpha. The required result is in half angle, therefore using the standard trigonometric results, one plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, means it is 2 cos square alpha by 2, and 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2, 2 sin square alpha by 2, and therefore it is 1 by 2 log of 2 to get cancelled, it is cot square alpha by 2. M log n is nothing but log of n raised to m. By that property it is log of cot square alpha by 2 that raised to 1 by 2. This 2 and that 1 by 2 get cancelled, and therefore we get 2 phi is equals to log of cot of alpha by 2. And then transferring this log to other side, we get e raised to 2 phi as cot of alpha by 2. Are required another result. Therefore, if you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel for new videos. Thank you very much.